Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Smash Bros. On Nintendo. Let's dive right into the fundamentals. Super Smash Bros. Is a fighting game where you select a character and battle up to 7 other players, either human or computer-controlled. Your main goal is to increase your opponent's damage percentage and then launch them off the screen to score a knockout. We'll cover the essential controls and game modes to get you started on your smashing journey. Let's get familiar with the controller. The left stick moves your character and dictates the direction of your attacks. Pressing the button performs standard attacks, which can be combined for powerful combos. The B button unleashes your character's unique special moves, offering 4 distinct options depending on your directional input. Remember to use the L or R buttons to shield, protecting yourself from incoming blows and even parrying attacks with precise timing. Damage is key in Super Smash Bros. As your character takes hits, their damage percentage rises, indicated by a number next to their icon. The higher this percentage, the further they will fly when hit by an attack, making them more vulnerable to being knocked out. To score a knockout, you must launch your opponent completely off the screen. In a stock match, you have a set number of lives, typically 3, while in a timed match, the player with the most knockouts wins. Once you've mastered the basics, consider advanced techniques. Dodging, both on the ground and in the air, allows you to evade attacks and reposition. Grabbing opponents by pressing the shield and attack buttons simultaneously can break through shields and set up throws. Super Smash Bros. Offers many game modes, including Classic Mode, where you battle a series of opponents, and Spirit Board, which presents unique challenges. Experiment with the over 80 characters to discover your preferred playstyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.